So the weather's coming in, and it's starting to rain, and I told Rufus he had to go pee-pee. So this is what he did. He sat up on his cement blocks. I didn't make him get up there. He's enjoying the smells, but he really needs to go pee because it's gonna rain on us. Yeah, you're getting wet, dude. Go pee-pees. Silly boy. You do know what that means. I know you do. It's like, what, cooperate? I don't think so. We've been pretty lucky all day. I mean, we've had some cloudiness and a lot of wind, but it just now decided it was going to rain. Now, my understanding is they've had some pretty serious storms down south in Arizona. Of course, they've had horrible storms in Texas and Nebraska and Kansas, a bunch of tornadoes and stuff like that. Houses smushed. We watched the live video of a tornado running through an industrial area in the Lincoln, Kansas area. Lincoln, Nebraska, sorry. Well, he decided he doesn't want to be out in the rain, but he's also decided he doesn't want to be. So I'm not sure how we're going to resolve this, but I'm not standing out here anymore. So I guess we're going to go inside. And everything gets watered a little bit, which is great. Even the rug. The rug is out here to kind of air out and get washed a little bit. I need to put some soap suds on it. But yeah, that's our front door rug that gets very grubby from all the feet. So yeah, something else I have to do later this week. Meanwhile, everything smells really good because it's fresh and clean. And Rufus is sitting under the eave with me because that way he doesn't get dripped on. It makes him, one thing nice about when he gets wet is his hair gets all curly. I don't know if he thinks that's nice or not, but I think he looks very cute when his hair gets curly. So anyway, in we go.